Smith.
And I'm Camila Gonzalez.
And our project is over vision.
And vision is one of the 5 basic senses. So we don't really think about it a lot in everyday life, but it's actually sort of complicated. There's a cell pathway that begins in the iris, and then it goes through the lens, and then the focal point, the retina, and the optic nerve in order to get to the brain to send the signal of the image.
Yeah. And then the cell signaling pathway is the process that obviously enables us to see. Without it, we wouldn't really be able to. The message, as she was kind of saying, it's sent to our brain whenever the light is sent by the photoreceptors or sensed by the photoreceptors. And one of the receptor is known as the retina. What it does, it takes in the light and it sends it to our brain, and that's what we see.
And as for the pathway in general, the most simple way to describe it is basically that the cones and rods in the eye, they sense light and then they carry the signal of the light to the brain so that the image can be created.
And that's basically the cellular response, the photoreceptor. It sends the signals through the optic nerve to the brain, which creates the image that we see.
And as for the organismal response, humans use vision in many different ways, as we probably know from experience, but just a few examples are reading books or understanding body language when it comes to interacting with others.